my channel For the Love of Beauty. I am here to show you guys how I am going to paint my family room doors. This is for my washroom, and the other door is where I keep my deep freezer and other belongings at. So what paint I am going to use, I am going to use the Interior Semi-Gloss Enamel Ultra Pure White number 3050, and it is by Behr Premium Plus. This paint is a paint and primer in one. It's durable, long-lasting finish, and low odor. And I've gotten this paint from Home Depot. I've already stirred my paint. Now I am going to pour it in here and start painting my doors. The brush I am going to use the Wooster Pro. And this is what it looks like. Okay. And this is good for, let me see, all paints and stains. door off camera. When I'm complete, I will come back and show y'all my end results, okay? Hello everybody, I am back. I am through painting my doors. I am through, and this is the other side. I'm going to have to do a touch up on the sides with the Repose Gray. This is what color my walls are in here, Repose Gray. I am going to go over it again with the Repose Gray. So you guys, I tell you, painting is a job. It is a job. And I'm almost complete with my family room. I just need to redo my floors, take up the old towels, and put down new ones. Okay, so y'all stay tuned for that. It's going to take time, but please stay tuned for that. Okay? All right, you guys, thank you all so much for watching, and please stay tuned for another video coming your way. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.